In this video, I am going to explain generation of code vectors in non-systematic form of cyclic codes. Generation of code vectors. Generation of code vectors in non-systematic form of cyclic codes. This one, cyclic code. Cyclic code is represented by n comma k. The number of parity bits q is equal to n minus k. Here, the number of possible message vectors are, the range is from m0 to m power m2 power k minus 1. The message vector is represented by m. This is the m is the message vector. M is the message vector. All possible message vectors. All possible message vectors range from m0 to m2 power k minus 1. Cyclic code transform this message vector into encoded code word represented by x. All possible encoded code words. All possible encoded code words range from x0 to x2 power k minus 1. Where at the output side, where n small n is the number of bits, encoded bits in the code word. Here, where small k is the number of message bits. Number of message bits in each and every vector. Here, message vector is represented by m. The range is from x0 x1, not x0 here. M0, M1, M2 up to M2 power k minus 1. M has possible message vectors represented by this form. Each individual M is equal to individual elements M0, capital M0, capital M1, capital M2, and so on and so forth. Capital M2 power k minus 1 are the possible message vectors. Possible message vectors. Possible message vectors. individual all possible message vectors can be represented as individual elements mk minus 1, mk minus 2, mk minus 3, and so on and so forth. M1, M0. Polynomial representation of this message vector, that m may vary from m0 to m2 power k minus 1. Each individual message vector can be represented like that. Let us m0 represented mk minus small mk minus 1, small mk minus 2, mk minus small mk minus 3, and so on and so forth, m1, m0. This one is MSB, this one is LSB. Polynomial representation of this message vector is mk minus 1 p power k minus 1 plus mk minus 2 p power k minus 2, and so on and so forth, m1p plus m0, where k is the number of message bits. Message bits in each and every message vector. Every message vector. mk minus 1, mk minus 2, mk minus 3 are the coefficients of the, these are the coefficients of the polynomial. Coefficients of the polynomial. Next. Output encoded code word is represented by capital X, X0, X1, X2, X2 power k minus 1. Individual encoded code word of that cyclic code is represented by capital X. Capital X here n elements are there, where n is the number of encoded element in each and every code vector. It is represented by xn minus 1, xn minus 2, xn minus 3, and so on and so forth, x1, x0, x1, x0. Polynomial representation is x of p is equal to xn minus 1 p k minus 1 plus xn minus 2 p here p n minus 1, here p n minus 2, x1 of p plus x0, where n is the number of elements, the number of elements in the encoded code word. Encoded code word capital X. Capital X is vary from x0, x0, x1, x2, and so on and so forth. X2 power k minus 1. All are the possible encoded code vectors. Encoded code vectors. That means that the output of the cyclic code. output of the cyclic code. This is the n comma k cyclic code. N comma k cyclic code. This is the m possible message vectors. X possible encoded code vectors or code words. Q is equal to n minus k parity check bits. Let generator polynomial g of p is equal to of the order q, p power q plus g q minus 1 p power q minus 1 plus g q minus 2 p power q minus 2 g1p plus 1. This is the generator polynomial. How we'll get x value? X is equal to m into g. We know that. In polynomial representation, x of p is equal to m of p into g of p. M of p into g of p. This is the non-systematic form generation of code vectors in non-systematic form. Example. Next, we will see how to generate the code words in case of non-systematic form of cyclic codes. The generator polynomial, the generator polynomial of a 7,4 cyclic code is g of p is p cube plus p plus 1. Find all the code vectors for the code in non-systematic form. Solution. Here 7,4 cyclic code means n comma k. N comma k. Here n is equal to 7, k is equal to 4. The possible message vectors are m is equal to m all possible message vectors. Message vectors from m0 to m 2 power k minus 1. m0 to m 2 power k 2 power 4 minus 1. That is equal to m0 to 2 power 4 it means 16. The m 15. These are the all possible message vectors. Here generator polynomial is g of p is equal to p cube plus p plus 1. Next, find out x of p. X of p is the all possible code vectors. X0 x1, x2, x2 power k minus 1, where x of p is equal to m of p into g of p. By using this expression, find out. Okay. Here m is equal to m1. M is equal to m1. Consider second message vector. Second message vector is m1 means 1 2 4 8 0 0 1. But generally m1 is represented as k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4. Mk minus 1, mk minus 2, mk minus 3, mk minus 4. Here substitute k is equal to 4 in the above equation. 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 2, 2. 4 minus 3, 1. 4 minus 4, 0. Polynomial form m1 of p is equal to, here 3 is there. The polynomial form is generally the polynomial form here is m k minus 1 p power k minus 1 plus m k minus 2 p power k minus 2 m k minus 3 p power k minus 3 plus m k minus 4 p k minus 4, that is equal to k is equal to 4 m3 p cube plus m2 p square plus m1 p plus m0. Finally m1 of p is equal to m1 of p is equal to p cube here m3 p cube. This one is m3 p cube p square m2 p m1 plus m0. Message vector is 0 0 0 1. Here m3 m2 m1 m0. Convert this into m1 of p is equal to, here p cube into m3 is 0 plus p square m2 is 0 plus m1 0 into p m0 is 1. Therefore m1 of p is equal to 1. x1 of p is the first encoded cyclic code word is equal to m1 of p into m1 of p into m1 of p into g of p. Here m1 of p is 1, m1 of p is 1, g of p is p cube plus p plus 1 for the given generator polynomial. Therefore x1 of p is equal to p cube plus p plus 1. P cube plus p plus 1. x1 of p is equal to p cube plus p plus 1. Generally, general way quotients of that x1 representation is xn minus 1, because based on that n value, n is equal to 7, we have to decide these individual quotients of this vector. Xn minus 2, xn minus 3, xn minus 4, xn minus 5, xn minus 6, xn minus 7. Substitute n value in that above equation. 7 minus 1, x6, x 7 minus 2, x5, x4, x3, x2, x1, x0. Here p power 6 term is absent, that is 0. P power 5 term is also absent, 0. P power 4 term is also absent, 0. X cube, that is 1 here. X square term is 0. X1 is 1. X naught is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the message vector. This is the encode, first encoded cyclic code word. Whenever the input is message vector m is m1 is 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Second one, m2, second message vector 1, 2, 4, 8. Second message vector is 0, 0, 1, 0. Individual message where m2 is represented as m k minus 1, m k minus 2, m k minus 3, m k minus 4, where k is for 7, 4 cyclic code, k is equal to 4, m 3, m2, m1, m0. m2 of p is here, m2 of p is m cube, p cube, m2, p square, m1, p plus m0. Here these are the elements m0 representation, m1, m2, m3. m3 is equal to 0 into p cube. m2 is also 0 into p square. m1 is 1 into p. m0 is 0. Therefore, m2 of p is p. x2 of p is equal to m2 of p into g of p. m2 of p is p. g of p is p cube plus p plus 1, that is equal to p power 4 p square plus p. This x2 of p is p power 4 p square plus x2 of p is p power 4 plus p square plus p. But this is the polynomial form. This is the vector form. xn minus 1, xn minus 2, xn minus 3, xn minus 4, xn minus 5, xn minus 6, xn minus 7. n is equal to 7. x6, 7 minus 2, x5, 7 minus 3, x4, x3, x2, x1, x0. Polynomial form is x2 of p is equal to x power 6 p power 6, x power 5 p power 5, x power 4 p power 4, x3 p cube, x2 p square, x1 p plus x0. Compare these two. We will get the quotient. Here x2, x6 is 0 because p power 6 term is not there in x2 of p, that is 0. x5 is also 0. x4 term, x5 is also 0 because p power 5 term is not there. x4 into p power 4. x4 into p power 4 means p power 4 term is there, 1. x3 is not there. x2, 1. P term is also there, that is 1. x0 is not there, that is 0. For message vector M2, 0010, the code vector is encoded, code vector is like that. Next, coming to all possible message vectors, M is equal to M0 to M 2 power 4 minus 1. That means M0 to M0 to M15. M0, M1, M2, M3 up to M15. M1, M2 completed. Coded words are also X is equal to X0 to X vectors, the encoded cyclic code vectors 2k minus 1. Here not n, here x only. K is equal to 4. 2 power 4 minus 1, that is equal to x0 to x15. Therefore, x0, x1, x2, x3, and so on and so forth, x15. M1, M2, M3. Next to find out. X3 is equal to M3 into G of P. X4 is equal to M4 into G of P. M3. Now M3 1, 2, 4, 8. M3 is equal to third one 0, 0, 1, 1. That means M0, M1, M2, M3. Need not represent all the terms, all expressions by using these 3, 2, 1, 0 directly written polynomial form 0 into p cube because third term M3 means M2 means 0 into p square. Here 1 is there, 1 into p, M0 is 1. Therefore, M3 of p is p plus 1. Now, x3 of p is equal to x3 of p is equal to M3 of p into G of p. This is related to x3 only. That is equal to M3 of p is p plus 1. G of p is pq plus p plus 1 multiply p into p cube p power 4 p square plus p cube plus p plus 1. P cancel, therefore p power 4 plus p cube plus p square plus 1. Therefore, x3 of p is equal to x3 of p is equal to p power 4 plus p cube plus p square plus 1, right? P power 4 p cube plus p square plus 1. x3 vector, encoded vector is here generally p power 6, p power 5, p power 4, p cube, p square. P power 6 coefficient is not there, 0. P power 5 coefficient is not also not there. P power coefficient is 1, p cube coefficient is 1, p square coefficient is 1. P coefficient is not there. P power 0, 1, that is 1. This is the x3. And next one, M4 is equal to M4 1 to 4 8, that is 0 0 1 1. M4 of P is equal to here M0, M1, M2, M3. Here 0 into P cube plus 0 into P square plus 1 into P plus 1, that is equal to P plus 1, that is equal to P plus 1. X4 x4 of P is equal to x4 of P is equal to M4 of P into G of P. M4 of P is P plus 1, G of P is P cube plus P plus 1. P cube plus P plus 1. Therefore, multiplication P power 4 P square plus P cube plus P plus 1. These are the similar terms. Therefore, already determined this one previously, need not write here. X4 means not X4. Next, now concentrate on, I will concentrate on X4 determination. Here, M4, that is equal to 1, 2, 4, 8, 0, 1, 0, 0. This one is M0, M1, M2, M3. M4 of P is equal to 0 into here 0 into P cube plus 1 into P square plus 0 into P plus 0. Therefore, M4 of P is equal to P square. G of P is equal to P cube plus P plus 1. We know that x4 of p is equal to m4 of p, m into p, m4 of p into g of p, m into g of p. That is equal to m4 of p is p square into p cube plus p plus 1, p power 5 p square, p power 5 into p power 5 plus p cube plus p power 5 x4 of p is equal to p power 5 plus p power 5 plus p cube plus p square, p cube plus p power 5 p cube plus p square. Okay, convert this into vector form. x4 is equal to p power 6 p power 5 p4 p cube p square, p power 6 quotient is not there, 0, p power 5 quotient is 1, p power 4 quotient is 0, p cube quotient is 1, p square quotient is 1, p power 1 quotient is not there, 0, 0. This is the x4. Next one. M5 1 2 4 8. 5 means 4 plus 1 1 0 1. 5 means 0 1 0 1 0 1. That means 4 plus 1. M5 of P is equal to, here this is the M0 individual representation, M1, M2, M3, because K is equal to 4. 0 into P cube plus 1 into P square plus 0 into P plus 1 into P power 0 is 1. Okay. Here M5 of P is equal to P square plus 1, and x5 of P is equal to M5 of P into G of P. M5 of P is P square plus 1, G of P is P cube plus P plus 1, P square plus 1, M, not M, M5 of M5, x5 of P is equal to, not M5 of P, x5 of P is equal to, x5 of P is equal to M5 of P into G of P. M power of 5 is P square plus 1. That is P square plus 1 into G of P is P cube plus P plus 1 multiply P power 5 P power 5 plus P cube plus P square, multiply 1 with all these terms, P cube P plus 1, P cube cancel, therefore P power 5 plus P square plus P plus 1, therefore x5 is equal to P power 6 P power 5 p power 4, p cube, p square, p power 1, p power 6 is 0, p power 5 is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. This is the x5 vector. Like that, calculate xc of p is equal to x6 of p is equal to m6 of p into g of p. x7 of p is equal to m7 of p into g of p. x8 of p is equal to m8 of p into g of p. x9 of p is equal to m9 of p into g of p. x10 of p is equal to m10 of p into g of p. x11 of p is equal to m11 of p into g of p. x12 of p is equal to m12 of p into g of p. x13 of p is equal to m13 of p into g of p. x14 of p is equal to m14 of p into g of p. x15 of p into p is equal to m15 of p into g of p. Like that, by using these equations, find out all possible encoded cyclic code vectors for 7,4 cyclic code. With this generation of code vectors in non-systematic form of cyclic code is completed. Procedure completed. Problem is also completed. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel for further updates.